How to cancel order on Hoobuy. So basically, you just have to log into your Hoobuy account, go to the Hoobuy website and sign in using your username and password. Now access your orders. Once logged in, go to your account or profile section. Look for the My Orders or Order History tab, which will show you all your past and current orders. So for the meantime, I don't have one, but basically if you have, then you can see it right here or in this section. Now find the order you want to cancel. Browse through your order list to locate the order you wish to cancel. Make sure the order is still pending or processing. You can only cancel orders that haven't been shipped. Take note of that. Now cancel the order. If the order is eligible for cancellation, there should be a cancel button or an option to cancel the order. Click this option and confirm your cancellation. Wait for confirmation. After you confirm the cancellation, you should receive an email or notification on Hoobuy confirming that your order has been successfully canceled. Number 6, contact customer service if needed. If you cannot cancel the order directly or if the cancellation option is not available, you may need to contact Hubai's customer supports team, provide your order number and details, and they will assist you with the cancellation. Important notes: if the order has been shipped or processed, cancellation may not be possible. In this case, you may need to initiate a return once the item is delivered, following Hubai's return policy. Be aware of any restrictions for canceling orders, as some platforms have deadlines for cancellation. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.